Hey lovely people, welcome to my channel made by Yuma, your crochet channel. In today's tutorial, we'll see how to do a crochet earring. This is a mini rose earring with a pearl. So let's see the things we need. Anchor thread of size 8. I'm taking baby pink shade for the rose flower. And for the leaf, I'm taking a light green color. We would need the hook size of 1 mm or 0.75 mm. It's as per your convenience. Then we need the earring hooks and some beads for the decoration. Then a scissor towards the end of this project and a fabric glue. So we need two of smaller beads. These beads are for decorating the rose flower, while the bigger one are for the earrings itself. Let's get started by taking the tail end of the pink yarn and make a slip knot. So if you're a beginner, you can check out my videos on Crochet Basics. I will provide you the playlist. Then go ahead and make chain 11, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then skip the very first chain and insert the hook into the second chain to make a slip knot. Then on the next chain make a single crochet and into the next chain space make a single crochet. Then make a half double crochet in the next chain space and then a half double crochet into the next chain space. Now we need to make 2 double crochet in the next chain space. So this is the first double crochet and another double crochet into the same chain space. So the next chain space make 2 double crochet. This is our second double crochet in the chain space. And in the next chain space make 2 double crochet. And in the next chain space make 2 double crochet. And in the last chain space make 5 double crochet. This is our first double crochet, second double crochet, then third double crochet, and then this is our fourth double crochet, then fifth double crochet, then make chain 3 and then a slip stitch into the same chain space. Pull the loop to about 2 inches long and cut the thread. So now the pattern for the rose is complete. We just have to fold this to make the cute rose flower. So let's apply some glue. Let's add the bead, the smallest bead, to the center of the flower and let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes or it is totally dried out. Let's work on the leaf pattern. For that, take the green yarn and make a slip knot. Then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, and then skip the first chain and make a slip stitch into the next chain. Then make a single crochet into the next chain space. Then make a half double crochet into the next chain space. Then make a double crochet into the next chain space. Another double crochet into the same chain space. Then a half double crochet into the next chain space. And then a single crochet into the next chain space. Then make chain 1 and then a single crochet into the same chain space. Then make a half double crochet into the next chain space. Make 2 double crochet into the next chain space. Then a half double crochet into the next chain space. And a single crochet into the next chain space. And then make chain 1 and a slip stitch into the same chain space. Now pull up the loop to about 15 centimeter and then cut the thread. Now bring the thread using the hook and then now we have a loop. Then insert the hook into the next chain space and bring in the yarn to make a slip stitch. Then insert the hook into the next space and yarn over, pull through the space and then make a slip stitch. So repeat this till the end of this leaf. So this gives us a beautiful chain pattern at the center of the leaf, like the center vein of a natural leaf. So we can continue till the other end and then cut the excess thread. Let's attach the flower to the leaf using the glue. Let it dry completely for about 20 minutes. Now it's all dried completely. Let's cut the excess thread and let's see how to make the earring with this mini rose. Take the pin and insert the bead into the pin. Insert the rose through the pin and then we can attach the pin by applying some glue to it so that it stands firm in the pin. Using a nose player, let's bend the hook. So we just made a little loop out of this rod. Now we have some excess rod which I'm gonna cut using a scissor. This is a quite big scissor, so I'm gonna use it and cut this off. So friends, let's attach the earring hook to the loop we just formed. And with this, our cute rose pearl earring is ready. And hope you like this tutorial. If you do so, please share it with your friends and family and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.